everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 16 of doing my dailies minis in July. I'm excited because I still have my $6 that I'm bringing every day, but I brought more ones, so that part's kind of cool. I'm a little prepared for the days ahead. I am working in my quarter minis, sharks, that's me, that's a great white, and yeah, I'm excited to see if we can finish anything today. I don't think we finished any the past couple days. No, we did, because I have less money. I can't remember. So I am filming this a little bit later at night. Is that glitter? That is glitter, isn't it, from my prop coins? Oh my gosh, when I use that tray. Okay, we got glitter everywhere, everybody. Some blinging stuff today. All right, so we are gonna go to the little start here. And I have my $6 in prop coins. I've got my dice tower, and I have a D3. So we are going to roll a D3, and whatever it says, each challenge will get that many prop coins. So we're starting at 4, getting 1, 5. The Mako is getting 3. 1, 2, and 3. How are you guys doing? How's your week going? 1 and 2. I'm having some pretty productive days. I need 75 million more, but I'm happy when I do get a productive day. So that's 3 for number 1. And just being a small business owner and navigating that path. 1, I never thought I would do it. I always thought it would be really cool to work for myself, but I never thought I would actually do it. It was always going to be a side thing for me because I just assumed I would always have like my full-time job. And when things changed, I'm adapting and I'm really enjoying this. And it's just hard to stop and take breaks and do all that because I feel like there's so much I need to do to make it successful. And I'm the only one doing it. So I feel like, and I only have 2 left, so 3 is getting 2, and we are going to start at 4. The Great Hammerhead. So yeah, so it's I don't know why I went down that path of storytelling, but I did. I think it's just I'm busy and I'm enjoying it. And all right, so glare in the house. Okay, we're just going to come down here. So number 1, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $1. 1, 2. So we have $1.50 going into number 1. And that is Happy Earth Day from Saving with Sam. Oh my gosh, that's what we needed. We finished one. Yes. And I'm going to get this color, which I think is this one. So I'm going to color these and be right back. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. So we got $5 going into household, which is already marked household. So let's put our prop coins in the tray before I try to save with them again. And let's flip back here. What's sticking out? Oh, look at how cute these are. A little nod to Christmas in July. These are from Boy Mom Budgeting. Love it. And there's 4 of them, so we'll have each one be $1. So this will save us $4, and I'm going to write household. Because I think that, yep, household on the back of this one. And $4. Because each one will be a quarter. Look at how cute that is. Love it. And you can stick out as much as you want. Okay, so number 2. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that's $1 going into number 2, which is, oh, never give up and good luck will find you. Each Falcor, the luck dragon, is 25 cents. So we have $1, so I'm going to do this other 50, and then I guess we'll just work our way up instead of working our way down. How's that? We'll see if I remember that. All right, there we go. Let's go into Walmart Plus. And then number 3 got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So number 3 also got $1. And this one is our Yoga Santa from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 4 spots. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one will save us $3. That one makes me laugh. And then number 4 got 50 cents. And number 4 is from Becca at Becca Budget 777. We can only do 2 squares. We can't do a whole row, but I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. 50 cents going in there. It's going to dog supplies. And if you can hear the saw again, I'm so sorry, but Babe is working on the fireplace, working on some drywall stuff. And I have a progress picture. I don't have a before because I'll have to find a before, but I can show you midway what it, because we had the, what is he called? The plumber had to or not remove, but move a pipe or something, or I don't know. So I'll take a picture after that so it's ready for the drywall. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1.25 going into number 5. This one is from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So we have basically 5 squares we can do. So I will be right back. Okay. I had to outline the squares because then I wouldn't remember how many I did. So that's, if you're wondering why I did that, it's so I wouldn't lose track. All right, so that one is almost done, sort of. And then number 6 got 1, 2, 3. So number 6 got 75 cents. Number 6 is, oh, the funny science one from Budget with Carly. Yay! So I can do 3 circles and I'll be right back. All right, there we have it. I've lost an electron. Are you positive? It's never gonna get old. All right, so we did finish one today, so let's go back up to the front and put our prop coins away. And then we can go to our little minis bank and get $5, which, there it is. Whoop, there it is. All right, so this is going to household. So I'm just gonna put our completed one here. Shut this one up. Oh goodness. And then we will go to our household envelope. I'm about to knock over my business binder. Please stay. Okay. So, and I keep forgetting to say these adorable little dashboards are from Budgeting with a Ginger. You can get them free on her Ko-fi. And I just uploaded them into Canva, and I just added my categories in one of the fonts I liked, and then I just printed it out on different colored paper. So that's how I got it to look different like this. I just got her, I think they were just black and white was the ones I got. Okay, I already forgot household. I should have done it first. Household. All right, I'm curious what we have in here because I was informed that we are out of trash bags after we were out of trash bags instead of when we only had a couple trash bags. So we have 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 96. That's pretty good. Plenty of money for trash bags. Okay. All right, that is all I have today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.